And I'm not alone.
Shit. Mayans.
Where?
Pack of trailing jacks. Get rid of the goddamn truck.
Got it. All right. Mayans, what do you want to do?
Weapons.
Behind the bar.
You two should get out of here.
What's going on? Let's go. Let's get out. Why? Just go.
Hey kid, do I have your attention? I know the way you've been living. Life's no reckless tragedy, endless. Welcome to the family. Hey, there's something missing. Only time will up to your vision. Never in question, lethal injection. Welcome to the family. Not long ago, you find the answers were so crystal clear. Within a day, you find yourself living in constant fear.
Girls all gone.
Look at yourself now.
Open up the garage.
Everybody's inside. Win this fight. Way it seems there's no one to come when the cause of the moment of feeling unsure. We all have emptiness inside. We all have answers to find. But you can't win this fight.
Go. Go.
Jesus Christ. What happens now? I'm probably going to lose a couple more guys because of this.
Well, there won't be another hit for a while. That pop-off is just about dick size. They won't let us know they're watching.
Vegas will stick around for a while.
Appreciate that.
Brother. Yeah.
I'm sorry about all this. It's all right.
You want to tell me what happened out there?
I went for a ride to clear my head, and the mine spotted me. You saw the rest.
Juice assembly.
All Vegas, bring some illegals, help them out.
Oh, I got some helpers for you.
Really? Oh, I love you.
I know you don't deserve it.
I love all of you. Yes, I do. I love all of you. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Look, I want to go back and see the kid. I'll ride back with Happy and his guys.